This is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol SSE. Okay, this is one of our three bounce plays that we had today. We had SSE, FWM, and BIND. We posted an FWM video. Now here's the SSE video, up 62% on the day. Very nice move. Congrats, everyone. SSE had formed 8 red candles in a row and had this downtrending channel that had formed. And then today's open was above yesterday's close, and then today's close was above yesterday's open. And so what this has created a bullish one white soldier reversal pattern. So this is a very strong reversal pattern. Okay, so we were tracking this play in our chat all through the day, posting updates, and we were looking for a close above 2 key resistance levels. The 2 key levels to break was the closing price on the 21st and 22nd of April, which is this red horizontal line, these 2 candles here. And then we also wanted to see a close above EMA 8, which is currently at 23. And as you can see here, the close was above both levels. Okay, so this is signaling more upside potential. The close above EMA 8, as you can see, the candles were riding EMA 4 resistance lower during this downtrend. A downtrend started up here when middle Bollinger Band support broke. And so what you look for is you look for a break above EMA 4 to signal that a bounce play is starting. And then when you get a close above EMA 8, what that does is that puts the middle Bollinger Band on deck. So now that's our next target. Our next target is the middle Bollinger Band at 39. If the middle Bollinger Band level breaks, that could signal the possible start of a new uptrend. Break above the middle Bollinger Band, and we have our eye on this gap. As you can see, there's a gap here between April 18th low of day and April 19th high of day. The 50-day moving average is the green line, and the gold line is the 100-day moving average. They're lined up with the top of the gap. So these are just some upward targets. Failed to turn EMA 8 into support, or if there's a close below EMA 8, EMA 4, or the bottom of the gap line, that would signal downside risk. One of the reasons why this play looks set up for more follow through is due to this big volume spike. Look at the volume. The preceding candles very small. This was a light volume pullback. Look how the candles were walked down. They walked it down on light volume, and then boom, big volume today. This is what you want to see for bullish momentum. This should carry the stock higher. We should get at least a pop in the morning. Only a small upper wick form, so there wasn't a lot of profit taken into the close. People were actually loading. That's what you want to see. Down here you've got MACD line and signal line pinch. Look for a bullish crossover. That would be another signal the chart is heating up. Up here you've got a negative minus DI pinching with ADX, and you have plus DI hooking up here on ADX. So this is showing the bulls are heating up. Another signal that SSE has some room possibly to run. Fasto is just above the 20 oversold line, and RSI is just above the 30 oversold line. So both indicators are above oversold levels, and they do have room to run. Okay, real quickly, let's look at this 15-minute chart. Each candle on this chart represents 15 minutes of trading. This is just a 2-day chart. I want to show you here the breakout. Today, the candle started out down here with this really tight Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Bands are the purple lines. Look how tight they were. And then it was the break above the middle Bollinger Band and above the 50 and 100-day moving average that signaled the chart was ready to go. This candle above the 200-day moving average was the breakout candle. Now you've got candles forming above the 50, 100, 200-day moving average and the middle Bollinger Band, and they're riding EMA's 4 and 8 support higher. This is a very strong 15-minute chart. As long as middle Bollinger Band at 25 support holds, the uptrend should continue. We want to see a break above this high close here on the candle at 11:45. Okay, looking really good. SSE, check us out at mychartcoach.com or at our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. If the middle Bollinger Band breaks on the 15-minute chart, or there's a bearish crossover, as you can see, MACD crossed over, bearish crossed over, then bullish crossed over, that would signal downside risk. Okay, thank you.